Hello, my name is Robby Bax with Bax Homeworks. We're a home improvement specialist company. We deal with remodels and home maintenance. It's very important to make sure your smoke detectors are working in your home. Capital Investment Realty is very good about changing the batteries in your smoke detectors every spring and every fall. It's very important to make sure those are maintained well. Today we're going to talk about if by chance a battery goes dead. Sometimes you'll get bad batteries and they'll need to be changed in smoke detectors. So it's very important if you hear a slow beep that from your smoke detector from time to time, you'll know a battery is bad and it does need to be changed. And there's a process in which you can test your smoke detectors, which is important to do, as well as change the battery. So we'll go through that today with you. It's very important to make sure your battery's working in your smoke detector. To test them individually, you can push usually the center button. Sometimes the button is on the side, and you push that button and you'll hear a sound. Just like that right there. Now, if you don't hear that sound, you know you need to replace the battery in it. At that point, typically the battery is in this location. Sometimes it's off to the side and can be pulled out. In this case here, you press this button, literally pull the battery out. Make sure you put the battery in the right way. The negative and positive are on the right side. Stick your new battery in. Close it up, make sure it's closed, and do another test.